completely detached myself from any material object. And it might be you. It's nothing personal. It's something more internal. It's something more special to me. I know that I'm more special than what I'm seeing and how people perceive me. This is nothing negative. If anything, it's the most positive thing that I've ever realized about myself. What lifts me up is when I see smiles on other people's faces. That's what lifts me up. It's not fake people putting on a front saying that they're a friend. I see right through that stuff now. No, I'm not chasing anymore. I found what I was looking for. But many times trying to find the feeling of a soul, lost in temptation, lost in physical looks of beauty, money, greed, and any material items of any temporary happiness. But oh no, not this soul. The energy lights up a room whenever present. Everyone stops to feel and listen, and take it all in of the beauty and the agelessness of the soul's violet glow. Once lost, found in the moment, everything that had been in my dreams, with a non-lustful way of pure love, the one that feels so right, never wrong, so soft and light. Just for a moment in the same presence. In my mind, I'm living a reality no one can see in the physical space we call life. Existing alone, empty, in the most unartistic way. Oh, but inside, living a life simple deep in the forest, on the banks of Pierce Stream. Only a walk away from the falls in the crystal clear pond. I'm digesting all the natural beauty. Writing by candlelight with a quill pen and a bit of black ink. What a wonderful memory this old cabin makes, with the old pork belly wood stove for its heat and its food, and a handcrafted frame of natural wood, with a thin mattress and a down pillow and a couple wool blankets. A chosen path for a day to take it back to the cabin, with a table and a candle and a chair, writing and taking in nature's gifts. As the red light turns green, looking through the clear glass windshield with an air freshener. Be kind. Watch out, be careful who you're with or talking to, or even ones that want hugs or handshakes, even receiving gifts. Fighting all the thoughts of fear, realizing the how do you know the host of the theater that's running the same play over and over, realizing all the BS being placed in the audience. And then once you realize there is no going back, even if you try, the old self tries temptation, tries money, tries fear. Nothing works. Nothing works, not even anger. Knowing there is no place, no power, it's nothing too. It's so empowering no longer to be the driver, returning to being chauffeured, being led by love, joy, and being at peace, and all for the greater good. All is well, all is love. No one can love you better than I. There is no need keep looking outside, for what you're looking for is inside your heart. It's that warm feeling you get leaving you, smiling and thinking long after the conversation. 1 + 1 isn't 2. It can't be. It's 1. 1 is always itself, as itself. You can't add to it nor take away. It's 1. So who is it? Bacon or Shakespeare? As we all walk through life with misdirection on purpose, so you will be distracted from your real self, the one that can never be manipulated or coerced or tricked into thinking of the materialism is the only tool. It's not as powerful as you may seem. It's an energy. Everything has energy. Your energy. And your energy matches the materialism. You're not poor. That's a mindset. The environment that we're all in leads us to believe. You're led to believe the state is real. We live in commerce. You being the consumer, the product, enslaved, and not even realizing you're living in a world, so to speak, thinking that you're free. Where's freedom? It's only in the mind. Because as you look down, the shackles, you look in the mirror, the masks, to keep you muffled, tied down, and in most cases choosing relationships, putting specifically people in your life to keep you down, using the best abilities against you, your sympathy, your understanding, your empathic ways, your pure high, and still trying to use it against you by putting being souls, consumers, into your life. Not necessarily all for the greater good, but in seeing this, understanding, and believing that it is maybe for the greater understanding, so I can see. My whole life I've been led to believe that I was the problem. Now in my 40s I realize, yeah, I am the problem. I'm the problem for the world. The world fears me and anybody like me. Why? Because I have the golden heart, the holy grail, the one the world fears the most. So is it a problem when a soul knows what's going on in its society and in the world and how it really works? It confuses the world, especially worries the evil elites. I'm their greatest fear. Why? Why do you think that? Because they're silencing me. Whenever I get on the camera, I lose the words to speak. Why do I believe and know that my channel has been mirrored and evil people are making money off my content? Could I keep going for days on these examples? Absolutely. But I don't worry. Knowing is half the battle. Understanding the light is far greater than any darkness. And even me in the darkness, they can still see my light. Untouchable. Leaving ringers on because of you. They like what they see. They see proof that you can do it all. A true warrior looking younger. You make life look easy. Maybe a trust fund baby. These are the days that are here and now. Channeling light. People are profoundly amazed with all the progress achieved. The light awaits the bait for its truth. That triggers the water. The one sentence that frees the mind complete. Being the miracle. When you touch it, it turns to gold. Happen, believing it happened. Sharing with you. Seeing you free-flowing, the bridge collapse. Bridge no longer needed. Hard to pin down. Leaving them surprised at every turn. The consistency. Now they can see freedom. There's no material way to ever explain material ignorance. I let it go. Nothing is mine. All is free. As the rain falls upon the street, mind free, sitting under an oak tree canopy. With my life in a backpack, my back against the fence, waiting for what happens next, up or down or inside out. The power of the rain is so gentle, hydration so fulfilled, yet dangerous enough to take out civilizations. The source of life, creating the sounds of silence with every drop, creating natural pools of water flowing in the river to the ocean. Don't let this moment define who you truly are. Even facing the desire for your own curiosity of who you really are. You can do anything. Love and success. It's your story. You know your choice. It's already been determined. Life has become an art. Beautiful. Asking questions. What's the rush? It's already yours. Accepting I have no control. Feeling the flow and going with it. Trust the unknown. And appreciating to celebrate. In the knowing and the experience. Inside and out. That this is the desire. This beautiful energy. Just need to trust. Going after the things that you truly desire. And knowing you have no bullshit radar. And realizing what I have found inside that is so magical. And it feels like meeting myself, the version of myself I always feared to meet. This is the service, healing, that only the soul can make. Saving you from settling, seeing through the veil, walking forward in your truth. Equally scary, and still choosing to follow the path. I'm proud of you.